Welcome to lesson number 9, and today we will learn about teleportation in Geometry Dash. First time teleportation appeared in level Deadlocked. Here we go into blue portal and we come from the yellow portal. Here you can see it again. Teleportation is very important part of the game. Here we have a homemade cannon that is possible only due to teleportation. Here we go into the portal above the structure, and we come from the bottom portal upside down. And in this section we have a ton of teleports. Now we have the hardest part. Can you guess which portal is real and which one is fake? And the correct answer is the bottom one. Here we have a lot of other fake portals, and in this section we have a teleport that allows us to go through the structure. Now we have a level that made custom teleports, as you can see here. When we go through them, it just teleports us, but here it is very confusing sometimes. Now we have the level Finger Dash, and it also uses some teleports, as you can see here. That's pretty much it. Teleportation is very short-ranged theme, so we don't have much to talk about. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Assignment before the next lesson is to beat level Let's Run in practice mode. ID is on the screen. It's very easy and beautiful level with a few inputs. And on the next lesson we would beat it. Goodbye.